Yo boys, it's go time, and today we're gonna be doing some monster bicep, but we're not gonna be focusing on size today, boys. I'm gonna be giving you my 3 go-to exercises to build mad definition on the bicep. Now boys, when it comes to building monster biceps, I mean, who doesn't like to have some big guns attached, boys? But when it comes to building biceps, there is so many different techniques, there is so many different exercises, there is so many different systems that you have to be utilizing that it can get confusing. And I mean, there is a lot of guys in any gym you walk into that do have some good size on the arms, but it's not all about size, guys. You need to have some definition. You want the biceps to be looking fit, right? So it's not just about size. Now, I've done a lot of videos about size, but I haven't done too many on definition. And today, it's going to be all pure T.I.P, primal hypertension, definition and burnout of the biceps, guys. So today, my 10 exercises that I love to do because they actually burn out, especially burn out with that perfect definition, boys. So watch the whole video and I guarantee you, your guns is going to explode. Ow, it's time to beat. All right, boys, so now the first thing I'm going to give you is the 2 most important things that you have to guarantee looking even before you start doing any exercise. Before you start training, they have to be locked in for you to maximally be able to isolate the biceps away. Now guys, when it comes to biceps, I don't know any other muscle group that actually is easier and more often cheated on than biceps. Why? Because
now guys, I've gonna lost my mind. I have done a discount on a bundle that is discounted. Guys, right now, get the war bands and get the power position and get, now I'm not going to tell you how many percentage you get off, you will just have to see it here. Deal like this won't happen again. One chance, one hit. Will you take it or will you let it slip?
Because everybody loves to compare themselves and do ego lifting and go, man, I can curl this much. Sure, that's a cool thing if you want to be trying how much can you actually curl, no matter the technique. But that's not what's going to give you definition. And to be honest, if you don't do it perfectly, it's not even going to give you size. So today we're going to be isolating away perfectly. And the absolute first thing, boys, when it comes to isolation, is the power position, boys. If you are not in a perfect power position when you are curling, you're not going to be able to have your hands in the perfect position with 45 degrees angle in front of your body. That means you are going to be curling your body in and doing half a movement, guys. And doing half movement, you feel half of the muscle. Trust me, I emphasize so incredibly much on full range of motion, boys. Why? Because this is what it takes. So trust me. Not every single thing that I say, and I guarantee you, you're going to be feeling biceps and your whole body better than you thought is possible and faster than you thought is possible. So boys, power position is on. That's number 1. Number 2, you have to have your grip locked in. If you don't control the weight, if you don't control the barbell or the dumbbell, I guarantee you, boys, that you won't be maximally able to focus on what's going on in the biceps. And that means your mind-muscle connection is not going to be locked in. And sure, that will work until it doesn't anymore, but it will never take you all the way to 100% perfection in your bicep training. So boys, number 2, the wall grips on. And number 3, we're starting with a barbell and a straight bar. Now, why the grip so important when you're working with a straight bar? If you aren't connected in your grip, that means if you're sweating in your hands and the barbell is moving around and it's not fully connected, your wrists are going to start being irritated and you're going to start feeling that a straight barbell is damaging your wrist. And what you're going to do then, you're going to take an easy bar. And when you grab onto an easy bar, boys, now you're not fully working the inside of the bicep. So straight bar is the absolute best for bicep definition. So let me first show you the first exercise and then we keep reading. But get your wall grips and get your power position as well and you can get them here. Wow. Right, boys. And now we're talking today T.I.Ps and time under tension. Definition training, boys, not size, not explosivity. And the war bands, they are exactly made for that, guys, for that timing tension, for that T.I.P, for working on your definition. You're working against the explosivity. So now, a barbell curl, normal straight barbell curl can be done heavy as hell, explosive as hell, but when you want to do it, for definition, the definition main war bands are going to absolutely change the exercise, because now you're not only working against gravity, boys, you're also working against the band actively pulling you in the best moment. So normally when you work only with a barbell, here, your biceps are actually resting. They're not doing much unless you intentionally squeeze them. With the war bands, you don't have to squeeze nothing, guys. The bands actively pulling you down as hard as you can. So that means they make that part going to be as much work as the part on the way up. So boys, this trains you love it. So get the war bands on, other one, sit side. That way you're doing the exact same thing that I want to do it for you. That is doing the definition. Get the band around the board, boys. Step and step. Okay. Now I'm using the warm-up bands. Why? I'm using the warm-up bands for a simple reason. Boys, I want it to be heavy by weight, so I'm not just focusing on the band only. The band is just an addition to make sure that I am working maximally in T.I.P throughout the whole movement. So the band can be light, but the weights have to be heavy. So for me, it's 40 kg plus band. This is a perfect way to build these kind of bars. So this is how it goes in action. Power position, locked in. This is key. Hands in front, and now you're working from this position. Your elbows stay in front of your body. So now, when you burn out with the band, step out of it and just keep going until you cannot do one more rep. And now boys, you saw here, zero swinging, zero cheating. This is not anything about explosive. Definition is built through T.I.P and time intention, and that's it. You don't do nothing more. This is exactly how we show you. Now boys, I got 2 monster exercises more, but first, subscribe. How? The road to heaven feels like hell, and the road to hell feels like heaven. Now what the fuck does that mean, boys? It's very simple, boys. Why do we struggle so much with laziness? Why do we struggle so much with doing the hard things? Why do we struggle to do the things that we know will make us become who we want to become, but we just cannot make ourselves do it? Why? It's very simple, boys. Because it's fucking comfortable to be lazy. It's comfortable to be comfortable. I mean, it does make sense when you hear it, right? It's nice, feeling nice. Well, it is, boys, but that shit doesn't last. If you do the stuff that makes you feel comfortable, if you do the stuff that makes you feel nice, if you do the stuff that your brain, because believe me, your brain and mine and every other man's on the planet is just comfortable and lazy by nature. If you do what your brain tells you, you know what's gonna happen? Your soul is going to start absolutely murdering the being you are. And that is where you start having anxiety, depression, and God knows which mental sickness that they invented names for, boys. There is no mental sicknesses. Watch your finger, bro. There is no mental sickness.
No, you got it.
Good?
Yeah.
There ain't no mental sicknesses, boys. It's all bullshit. It's just you not doing the absolute best with your persona, with your character, with your life, and you just doing not everything that you can to become the best version of yourself, the God-given version of yourself. Boys, understand one thing. If God didn't want us to be fit, He would make it incapable for us to get fit. If He didn't want men to have big-ass monster muscles, then He wouldn't give you the capacity to be having big-ass monster muscles. If He wouldn't want you to be an example on this planet, like so many men are, then He wouldn't give us the capacity to do it. So boys, trust me, if you're not doing absolutely everything that feels terrible when you do it, I guarantee you, when you are going to sleep and you are analyzing your day, and when you are going to your last sleep and you are analyzing your life, you are going to live and die with absolute terrible fucking anxiety, and you deserve that. Because God gave you the power and you choose to not use it. And our next exercise is double and one hand per time. Why? Because this exercise requires you to engage your brain a lot, boys. Now you can pick this exercise, is amazing, doesn't matter how you do it. But to do it perfectly, for definition, for special definition on the inside, there is a lot of stuff you're gonna have to think about, boys. And now, I'm gonna be showing you with the wall bands. Why? the warm bands assist you a little bit for this to become really focused on that inside. Now this exercise can be done without the warm bands. It will be as good, but you just have to work much more with your brain, boys. And now every time you have to think more, that means you can focus maximally on the muscle. That means it's not absolutely perfect. So boys, get your warm bands, and I guarantee they will make this exercise an absolute monster. This is one of the best exercises in the world for building your inside on the biceps. And now you're gonna need a light dumbbell, guys. So if I'm doing normal biceps curls, I'm doing with 30 kgs if I'm not gonna be pushing myself to maximum. Now here I got 16s, but 16s with the warm bands and with the angle I'm gonna be showing, you're gonna be burning you out top. Now, two things you want to be thinking about, and power position is the absolute key, boys. Why? Because now you're going to be leaning over the bench, right? So we're doing a one-arm dumbbell preacher curl. Now, when you're going to be leaning over the bench, boys, if you lean over with your shoulder, you're shortening the movement. But not only that, you are also helping yourself up to cheat in the movement. And this today, with no cheating, guys, it's pure isolation. So you love your power positioning, get your power position on, and I guarantee you will notice that the way that you would normally be playing around with is going to burn your shoulder out maximum. So let me show you how the setup goes, boys, and then we roll. So boys, first, the band. How do you set up? You will have to step into the band, boys. And now, the band is in your hand, boys. And now, second thing is, you want your armpit to be on the bench, and you don't have the bench laying down more than this. The straighter up you can have the bench, the harder it is going to be. And this is the absolute perfect angle, boys. Now next, grab onto the dumbbell. And from here, what you want to be focusing on, boys, is that when you are coming back up, you are going to the outside of your arm, boys. Your hand will want to be coming in towards this place. Why? Because here is easier for the exercise to be performed. You want it to be going to the outside. Now you're maximally squeezing on the inside of the bicep, boys. And the last thing to think about, the dumbbell. You want it to be tilted in this way. So you want it to be tilted to the outside of your body when you're coming up. Now that puts all the strain on the inside of the biceps. So this is how it goes in action, boys. Absolute burnout exactly here. And now, if you burn out, you help yourself. The other hand. Guys, burner exercise. Tell me like this. When you tilt that down, plus the back on that first rep, I felt already how the inside of the biceps is being absolutely burned out. Killer, give it a try and drop me a comment what you think. But now, probably the exercise that will absolutely burn your biceps out the most. Let's roll. And for the last exercise, we're going to be doing a straight bar in the cable cross. Now, we're going to be absolutely, totally isolating. So it's a version of what just this, but a much more isolating one, boys, and with both hands at the one time. Now, why do we do it in the cable cross, boys? Simple. Then you can be drop setting. And this one, when I will do that, this is the end of my session. Doesn't matter how hard or how light my session is, this is at the end because this is the absolute burnout exercise. And I will do at least 2 drops. Start on one way, max it out, drop one time, max it out, drop another time. So this you will be aiming for around 30 reps, boys. Now you're gonna need a dumbbell, and you're gonna need a dumbbell to sit on this. What's the exercise? You're going to be leaning forward. So the same as a preacher curl, you are putting the bench in your armpits. Now we're going to be putting our armpits on our knees, boys. Getting in a power position, so maintain that as much as possible, and isolating curling here, boys. Now what is key? You don't sit up. You don't let your body start cheating by sitting up and making the pull from your body. So boys, move the bench or the dumbbell back. Grab on. Make sure that you are totally isolated. And now, the grip, you want to have a medium grip. Why? Because you want to be quite tight so you can be forcing your elbows squeezed in together and really working with that inside of the biceps. Do not let your elbows fly out. And this is how it rolls, boys. Make sure nothing is moving except of the barbell up and down. Elbows tight. Woo. And that's how you know, boys, it's time for drop set. You saw, I really tried to pull it up. I fought, couldn't make it. That means the muscle cannot work. But drop set, do it again until failure, boys, always. Woo. Now, boys, I cut my drop set short because I just finished my workout before this video, boys. But for you, all the way down. 3 drop sets good, 4 drop sets better, 25 drop sets even better. Now, boys, I guarantee you, give these 3 workouts a shot and you're gonna feel your biceps absolutely burned out. And once you do, drop me a comment, I wanna know all about it. Boys, that's it. That's how we feel, man.